Hello everyone, my name is Jess, the account manager of Aetina Corporation. Today, I'm going to share some insights and AI success cases with you. My topic is Edge AI succeed machine vision development in AIoT. First of all, we are talking about AI, artificial intelligence as one of the most popular technology nowadays. AI benefits to almost every industry through deep learning, data analysis, and computing inference, which optimize the application, such as improving manufacture process and even increasing sales. We can say that AI leads the technology development for now and the future, and it is what we need to keep up with. Therefore, many scientists, application developers, and companies are digging in the related field to seek more possibilities. The AI that we're familiar with and being used widely now is based on cloud computing. We connect everything to the internet and build up an IoT, Internet of Things environment to make applications work smarter by using big data analysis and remote control. Cloud computing widens our vision of AI's ability and creates a more convenient world for us. It is so helpful, and the demand of AI are getting higher and higher, resulted in the computing center's transmission from the cloud to the edge. Compared to cloud computing, edge computing brings computation and data storage closer to the location of the device, improving response time and save bandwidth. The AI inference could reply to the demand with lower latency under this architecture. And next, edge computing only execute the computation nearby, which can keep the server or system small, make the industry easy to upgrade, transform the original application to smart use cases. Last, support the computation divided at the edge and keep the communication internal to the local is well concerned for business security and privacy. In so many AI applications, I'd like to focus on machine vision in my topic. Let's get started with AI application development. Through the innovation over time, AI can be applied in so many areas. But initially, we pictured AI as robots that has human-like characters. As a human beings, we feel the world through the five senses: smell, hearing, vision, taste, and touch. So we want to train robots and computers to act like us. Among the training for these senses, the development of machine vision is the most mature technology. We can see many applications that use machine vision to create their adding values, such as security, drone, UAV, and factory inspection. We will go through many real cases later that all succeed in different industries by AI machine vision and see how we can enhance computer vision. For now, this year, 2020, we have changed a lot due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Since the coronavirus hit our life and quickly spread around the world, governments try to solve the problem and stop it from becoming worse. The city were locked down, we worked from home, and were limited to go out. Not only our lifestyles are no longer what we're familiar with, but the business have faced the huge impacts. The pandemic has already caused too many effects on all levels of society and business. And this does not seem to end anytime soon. So what we can do is to learn how to live with it. Based on our experiences and observations of current situation, I will address how pandemic influenced the context of business activities in three industries and how can we respond. The three industries are retail, medical, and manufacturing. For retail industry, those traditional local stores are facing the most direct impact. during lockdown, people can still make daily purchases and maintain their needs through online shopping and food delivery, which make those large companies with comprehensive logistics system the winner of the time. However, the local stores are still struggling. Now that the pandemic seems slowing down, people are gradually getting their life back. But still, the living style has to be changed. And local business must also evolve in order to survive in the new world. How to achieve zero contact is what local business want to work on these days. The healthcare industry has been the very first industry that impacted by the outbreak. WHO, World Health Organization, explained that the primary healthcare ensures people receive comprehensive care, ranging from promotion and prevention to treatment, rehabilitation, and palliative care, as close as feasible to people's everyday environment. However, the strain that COVID-19 pandemic has placed on healthcare system everywhere has affected many people's primary care provision. Regardless of whether the pandemic is surging or slowing down, we still need to continue to optimize and maintain a good state in healthcare industry to respond to uncertain situations. Assisting in medical resource control and flattening the curve of COVID-19 has become the priority of governments and scientists to help medical development during this period. The manufacturer is one of the most vulnerable to withstand the lockdown because the factories need workforce to maintain daily production needs. So building a partial or full automated factory has become a long-term goal. The implement of automation can not only increase the factory's daily and long-term production, but also improve the system's accuracy and efficiency. And most importantly, it can avoid factory shutdown in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, when we're facing challenges, we find solutions, implements, and upgrade the industry to solve problems. In the process of seeking a solution, we can see the left-hand side of the briefing. Based on the experiences of working with our customers this year, we sum up a progress to share with you. This progression is a fundamental process from point out the real problem to find a suitable solution when customers expected to adopt AI technology to solve problems they are facing. First, find the pain points. In order to solve the problems, we were seeking for solutions. In the process of constructing the solutions, we will face many challenges. After doing a little research, the clients might find that the existing solution cannot fulfill their requirements. Say they need small form factor, unique I/O, or other specification requirement. Then this is where we get involved. We can not only make sure that the new system works well with the existing one, but also ensure the reliability of the system in response to changes. The problems mentioned above may have surpassed industry's expertise. The establishment of AI application is not something that can be done alone. Working as a team can more likely create solutions faster. Therefore, having a professional facilitator becomes an essential and beneficial factor. If all above completed, the device management and maintenance can also be carried out continuously, which can bring sustainable development to AI added value of the industry. Aetina strategy for developing edge AI is divided into three major parts: peripheral integration, security management, and cross-industry cooperation. Peripheral integration. We are actively working on the software and hardware integration of the system. In this way, the process of building a system can be simplified. The time for system construction can be shortened, and the application can be launched in a relatively short period of time. Security management. Security and privacy are things that companies care most about. To enhance the management and security for each edge device, to lift up the efficiency from the edge. Cross-industry cooperation. Building an AI application is actually very complicated and requires various knowledge, making it difficult to achieve alone. It's better to work in groups. Aetina provides a smart system in edge AI strategy, connecting different professions and to provide a total solution together. Aetena's integration strategy is achieved in two ways, vertical and horizontal. First of all, we see the pyramid on our left-hand side. The vertical space from bottom to top, we regularly continue to link enterprises in various industries together and create more diversified solutions on the system platform to accelerate the implementation process of customers' application. Then comes the horizontal part, powered by Azure Sphere, our out-of-band management SSD, InnoEdge, developed by InnoDisk, could shorten the time for disaster recovery significantly. Through remote device management to execute the system's restore or restart process without internal network, which also lower the risk of connection issue. In addition to that, user could access and monitor the system easily with our concise UI design from any browser. For clients who already implement our Edge AI solution, InnoEdge is like an easy upgrade with the out-of-band management. As NVIDIA's preferred partner, Aetina is not just a carrier boards provider, but a leader who dedicates to build a smart ecosystem. We have valuable and trustworthy partners in software, hardware, communications, cloud, and systems, enhancing the reliability and diversity of Aetina's solution. With our mother company InnoDisk and all of the subsidiary in InnoDisk Group, we work together to bring our customers more accessible and faster solutions to launch applications. Aetina provides GPU-oriented solutions using leading NVIDIA Jetson modules, offering high-level computing power and image analysis processing performance. By leveraging these GPU acceleration processors, enables you to harness the power of NVIDIA CUDA technologies and to quickly develop and deploy computing-intensive systems for machine learning, autonomous robotic, drones, medical imaging, and more. Aetina built ready-to-ship and well-featured functionality carrier boards and development kits. This helps you to focus on know-how and speed up time to market. To meet the versatile demands of applications, Aetina also offers customization service to fulfill each unique need. Currently, there are four models of NVIDIA Jetson series modules, which are Jetson Nano, Jetson TX2, Jetson Xavier NX, and Jetson AGX Xavier. With different performance and sizes, they are designed for versatile application areas. The left-hand side is suitable for performing AI inference work at the edge, and the right-hand side is ideal for building autonomous machines. Aetina designs various carrier boards for each member of the NVIDIA Jetson families. You can see four platforms at the slide, all of which are our feature platforms for each model. The first is AN110 with Nano, which is suitable for entry-level AI work applications. The second is AN310 with TX2, which is a fairly mature platform for vision applications. The third one is our latest product, AN810 with NX, which is designed in response to high-speed communication technology. Finally, there's the AX720 with Xavier, which has diverse output interface and slots, which is perfect for building a fully functional autonomous machine. In addition to the main platform launch for each computing module, Aetina also has various carrier board designs. As AI applications are quite diversified and demands are ever-changing, Aetina has launched carrier boards with different needs as our standard carrier boards products, hoping to provide customers with more options and comprehensive service. The first is AN110, which can be used with Jetson Nano or Jetson Xavier NX to create NVR applications as an entry-level home robot or smart gateway. Next are AN510, AN310, and AN622, which are applicable for TX2 series. AN510 is the smallest carrier board, only the size of a credit card, and can build portable AI devices. AN310, as introduced above, is a carrier board for complete AI vision applications. And because of its exquisite appearance, it can be used to create applications such as drones and UGVs. Although AN622 is the biggest among these three boards, it provides multiple I/O applications and can be used in AOI, robotic arms, and other fields. In addition, AN810 is specially built for Jetson Xavier NX, which can perfectly support the NX computing module's performance. It has a complete high-speed wireless communication integration, can use 5G modules, and has SIM card slot, which is one of the best options for creating robots and medical equipment. Finally, there's AX720 for the exclusive Xavier computing module, which is suitable for in-vehicle equipment to build unmanned vehicles and can be used as training server. Next, I will introduce a few practical application cases that Aetina and business partners have built together. First, we start from the case of a smart factory. The cooperative partner is Taiwan Textile Research Institute. We will refer to TTRI below. This successful factory case uses Edge AI system solution equipped with high-speed transmission expansion modules. TTRI is the research and development authority in Taiwan's textile industry. When it was founded in the early days, product testing and quality maintenance required most of the workload. In recent years, it has invested R&D and performed scientific research and development in response to the transformation of textile industry. Now, this is a new field of R&D and service in Taiwan's textile industry that combines demonstration factories, innovation incubation, and product development. In this case, TTRI actively wanted to solve the problem of manual execution of textile inspection. Because manual detection cannot reach the accuracy rate, and meanwhile, it isn't easy to control the production. In recent years, the production volume has increased, and the labor cost has continued to rise as well. In order to maintain product quality, the production process in the factory must change. Therefore, since textile has large amount of fabric defect inspection data, they attempt to use the Edge AI computing platforms to assist textile machine in automatic inspection. TTRI finally turned out to achieve a fully automated fabric textile production process. We also suggest that TTRI use a high-speed transmission expansion solution on the platform. First, a large number of textile machines in the factory needs to be integrated and managed. Second, applications built with machine vision need to make data available, relearning, and continuous optimization. The large bandwidth transmission is an inevitable trend. Finally, TTRI used our solution to successfully reduce labor costs and implement cost inspection algorithm to improve close inspection accuracy. Let's take a look at this picture. We can have a better understanding of the solution for automated factories in textile industry. First, see the product section on the left-hand side. TTRI has installed 5 cameras on the existing textile machine to match the width of the textile machine to collect information on the fabric. And this textile machine will be connected to Aetena's platform using TX2 solution at the time. The algorithm of fabric inspection is embedded in the computing platform, which can perform AI inference after receiving the data collected by the camera. It provides the textile machine with the correct implementation of the production process. Also, the platform has expanded with a high-speed transmission solution. It is a solution from Aetena's partner, Medtronic. The inference result of edge computing will quickly transmit to the cloud database through a high bandwidth 60 GHz transmission rate, or between edge device with low latency. The data transmission enables system to collect data while doing deep learning, continuously optimizing the accuracy of calculation and inference. Besides, high-speed data transmission capabilities allows managers to obtain a delay-free production line status to facilitate the most immediate and correct decision. On the other hand, with the rapid development of science and technology, TTRI also looks forward to providing high-performance solutions that meet the needs of current affairs. The hottest topic of this couple of years is 5G technology, which can also be applied in factories. Therefore, under the same TTRI converts the computing platform into the Aetina NX series computing platform. Under this solution, 5G module can directly expand it and use to bring real 5G solutions. The second case uses an AI solution in factory as well. Our partner is Kechen Technology. This time is applied to automated visual inspection and AVI equipment. In the modern manufacturing process, products need to be inspected at multiple sites to facilitate early detection of defective products, reduce process consumption, and increase yield. However, this meticulous inspection also increases the processing time. To shorten the inspect period, automatic visual inspections (AVI) and automatic optical inspection (AOI) technologies has become an indispensable role in the manufacturing process. However, the past AVI equipment often caused misjudgment due to factors such as color and height differences, which raised the cost and waste of manual processing afterwards. Kechen Technology is committed to metal detection and customized equipment integration service, and can develop and optimize visual recognition software. They can help customers convert past data into practical AI equipment. In this case, the customers already has AVI equipment into the original production line. Still, the misjudgment rate is high because of the chromatic aberration and high drop of the equipment. They often need to consume a lot of workforce to recheck abnormal detection, which not only wastes human resource but also increase a lot of process time. Therefore, in order not to replace the original AVI equipment, AI deep learning technology is introduced into the manufacturing process to reduce the misjudgment rate of AVI equipment. With Kechen Technologies' visual inspection algorithm, a single Aetina AI computing platform can connect to 15 AVI devices in series and simultaneously inspect 8 kinds of defects. The solution increases the accuracy of existing automated visual inspections to more than 90% while avoiding complicated. Besides, redundant manual re-inspection effectively reduces labor costs and improves the production line's output and yield. According to this picture, we can better understand the process of Kechen Technologies' solution. Kechen Technology uses its rich experience in system construction and visual recognition applications to deploy the Aetina JSON AI computing platform into existing AVI equipment. Pairing with AI deep learning visual recognition software to build a set of smart AVI equipment. The overall architecture consists of existing AVI equipment, high-performance AI servers, data center, and visual recognition algorithms. If the product is detected the defect when passing through the AVI site, the equipment will send the data to AI server and use it for re-inspection. If AI infers the product as a misjudgment, the product will continue to the next process site. Otherwise, the result will be sent back to data center, and it will be determined whether to notify the responsible person according to the algorithm rules. Then we have to enter the case used in the medical industry. The healthcare system is the foundation of human being culture, and every innovative medical research shows its supports and value to continuous and expansion. Throughout human history, there have been a number of pandemics of disease. The development of medical science and technology help to treat the damage by disease who also support prevent the massive infection. Isolating pathogens is a very simple medical protection. If everyone establishes the correct mindset applies social distancing, then it can be implemented. But the reality is that people often need enforcement. During the outbreak of large-scale infection, there is a shortage of medical workforce. Isolation and restraint work are very important but also need a lot of people involved. Therefore, if robots can assist with the task, it will avoid direct contact with patients or people under quarantine, and which could reduce labor as well. This time, our partner SmartCow has developed AGAR, a medical assistance software deployed to a system which dedicates to working environment safety and patient care. It supports 6 artificial intelligence modules, including social distance measurement, mask recognition, and safe sneezing motion classification. AGAR creates a safe environments with different AI modules during the pandemics to help frontline medical personnel to prevent diseases. Among them, the application of mask identification. It can be easily deployed at the entrance and exit of the application environment through artificial intelligence to identify whether the entrance is wearing a mask and provide direct instruction and unsafe reminders of individual results. Such mask recognition software can recognize PPE, N95, or surgical mask. AGAR's social distance recognition is also specially built for public applications, which can be used in conjunction with public sector network to maintain a distance of at least 1.8 meters between two people. AGAR has passed the General Data Protection Regulation certification. Also, the image data captured by AGAR will only be applied to the edge system and will not be uploaded to the cloud. It provides medical assistance while ensuring privacy and security. Smart House AGAR will be trained at the edge, putting 6 medical devices testing data into the Aetina Edge AI computing platform. Through Aetena's platform, cameras and loudspeakers are connected series to collect data, make AI inference, and respond. Let's take a mask recognition for example. If the Aetina computing platform detects someone who are not wearing masks today, it will issue an audible warning. This AI solution ensures that everyone can take responsibility for pandemic prevention during this outbreak. Besides, this edge device can be managed in the cloud through the Aetina platform to ensure that each device can smoothly use in proper computers. The last case is the case in the retail field. As we mentioned earlier, local business in the retail industry encountered significant challenges during pandemic. They had to survive and keep their business going. Even when the pandemic is slowing down, they also need to take precaution to prevent it spreading again. This case is to build an automatic checkout system, hoping to achieve a zero-contact transaction mode. The partner of the matter is Discovery. Discovery is focused on developing AI vision software based on computer vision, artificial intelligence, and deep learning technology to provide multiple AI image recognition solutions for the retail industry. The idea of automatic checkout system comes from improving the quality of customer shopping experience, the efficiency of human checkout in pre-staff training, and checkout process will increase local business costs. Therefore, if AI can assist in automatic checkout, you can solve many problems. After experiencing this pandemic, the way of reducing contact has become a trend in response to current events. The solution combining Aetina platform and Discovery algorithm is a small and reliable recognition host. It allows the retail owners to deploy their smart application with flexibility. Compared to a commercial computer, it is high temperature and oil resistant, adapt to a harsh environments. With Discovery algorithm, products management is easy to arrange. Input only 5 images could add a new product immediately. An edge computing system also fastens the data communication, lifts the checkout efficiency and user experience. In the automatic checkout system, this solution also hopes to directly upgrade the original post cash register so that an identification host based on the Aetina platform can be directly combined with it to create an automatic checkout system. First, the camera will capture the data, transmit it to the identification host, generate visualized result after AI computing, and then connect to the post machine for checkout. This data can also be uploaded to the cloud for data storage and management. At the same time, for large chain stores, the cloud management system can also be used to integrate the device status and checkout status of each branch. Above are all the cases I want to share with you today. Aetina is committed to invest on building up the most powerful edge computing platform for global customers. By the collaboration with NVIDIA NPN Alliance, we are not only aim to develop a strong ecosystem to provide comprehensive function in our carrier boards to support different needs for different industries, but also improve the overall quality and usability for the platform by enhancing software and hardware integration and strengthening the security for all perspectives to empower all partners in the edge of AI field. To learn more about our Edge AI platform, please visit our website www.aetina.com, Facebook or LinkedIn community, or contact us by email sales@aetina.com. Last, I want to show you an Edge AI related video created by Aetina, and thank you for listening.